We are pleased to show you the 2016 Taurus. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.